Hi, there's Mark Neva. We're here in beautiful Tuscany. The town is, help me pronounce the town, Mark, Montepulciano. And we just finished our wine lunch. We tasted, I don't know, 6 different wines. Delicious, delicious. And then here's the view from the terrace. Look at that. There's another wine place, another wine estate. And let me show you the vineyards. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And the town. It's a beautiful town. I'll zoom in a little. Just gorgeous. It's of the $1 million. And it's a nice breeze now, which is wonderful. So come on, that's very good. Let me take you to amazing Tuscany. Wines, pepperoni cheese, and the salami, and the olive oil that is produced here. Just fantastic. Just zoom in on this building. Just spectacular. So Colosseum for Italy, the rest of the U.S. and the world. See everything delicious, beautiful, authentic, unique. Call us and this experience can be yours. We'll finish up on the vineyard. Just gorgeous. Enjoy. Arrivederci. Buonasera.